Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Workfacta, a tool that claims to organize your team with a centralized business management platform. So it's a business management platform like Asana and Trello and Nift. And the user interface here is pretty sleek. Let's test the tool together and see if we like it. They are featuring the new woman here. There's a nice picture of her here. And the description is that Workfacta is a business management platform that lets you create actionable roadmaps, automate meeting flows, and track team performance. So let's see how the deal work here. It's pretty simple. You're gonna get all the features of the business premium plan. And the difference here is the number of users. 3 users for 559, and if you get up to tier 3, you get 25 users. The best use case here, if I think it's tier 2, if you have a small business, you may fit here on that use case. And all the tiers have unlimited teams. Let's take a look at the tool. Here is Workfacta, and the business management is divided by update, opportunity, challenge, discussions, news, new meeting. It's pretty different from the usually business management team. It's differently organized. So let's check the two together. You can manage everything here on the plus button, where you can see the opportunity, challenge, discussion, actions, and news. And here you can create a new opportunity, new challenge, new discussion, etc. On the setup, you can add your company informations. Here is where you can add your new users. Just invite them by their email. You can divide them by teams. Okay, just click here to create a new team. You can also create work categories, for instance, marketing, business plan, etc. And here you can select what kind of notifications you wanna get. So we have a few buttons here to start. Let's check opportunity. So clicking here, you're gonna create a new opportunity, new client in the US. Let's try to close video. Then you select which team, in that case, management team, the creator, the priority, low, medium, high, the type of the opportunity, and the category, and click on save. Now we have here a new opportunity. So what can we do here? We can enter notes related to the opportunity. You can also upload documents here related to the opportunity. I have uploaded one, and also you can edit your opportunity. Okay, so the opportunities will show up like that. As you can see here, they will be divided by heading, description, priority, creator, etc. You can also choose the columns that will appear here, that will show up. And clicking here, you can see the document and also the notes. The tool is made to be pretty simple, I think, to see everything. So I don't think you will need to train your employees to understand how the tool works. It's pretty like in a click of a button. The challenge here, let's take a look at it. So I'm going to create a new challenge. Expand our team. Challenge, expand our team, blah, blah, blah. Same team, priority you can change here, and save. So challenges are the same thing. The difference, it's a different kind of issues, opportunities, and challenge, something that you need to overcome. The same thing, you can add notes, upload files, and that's it. Discussion, let's create a new discussion. Discussion about our YouTube channel, blah, 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 and save. Yeah, it's like an actionable list that they create, dividing by topics that you need to discuss, challenges, and opportunities. You can create a new video, and add files here as well. We can see in the same way. Okay, adding notes and add files here on it, news about your team. We can also create actions, create a new video, and select the due date here for the new video, the goal, the priorities, and save. So all your team members will see your action here. And here you can change in progress, overdue, complete. You can click here to complete it. like that. They change like that. It's a business management to be really simple to check out everything like a list. Here you can create meetings and launch the meeting and it will be tracked like that with that time frame here. You can see everything here that you create, the actions, the discussion, like that. So when you create a meeting, everything that you have related to that team will be here. So people will be able to check it out pretty fast and understand the topics to discuss. You have here an analytics to see your team performance as well. You have an archive to see the meetings that you closed. You can also create goals here. So that's Workfacta. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. If you like it, please click on the link in the description to help me to keep going. Bye bye.